Everybody, I hope you're doing well. It is Tuesday, let's see, March 24th, I believe, 2021. I wanted to do a live trade, but I haven't quite figured out, or I don't have the right software for live yet, but I will get there. So it's a recording of me looking at my trades live. I wanted to show you, I have a few things that are looking interesting today. So let's review them, and I'll try to figure out what I want to do. So the first one is Aussie Canadian dollar. So if I bring that one up. So what we have here is we have a fresh signal on our SSL, which is our C1. So that's really good. That's a fresh signal, so it's a new signal for C1. We can see that we have a downtrend in our multisync, and we have valid volatility. So everything is looking good. Now, the only thing that's a little concerning, but there is a compensation for that, is if you notice, look how far this price is from the baseline. However, look at this, because this was a short, and then we had a long, and now we have another short, and it didn't cross the baseline, then that one ATR rule does not apply. So this is one that I'm looking at, Aussie CAD. The other one is Euro Aussie. Let me go pull that one up. Where are you? Okay. Okay, and you can see this one is looking very strong because it is a fresh C1 signal. It is a fresh baseline cross. We have an uptrend and we have valid volume. So I'm really liking that one. Okay, the next one is EURJPY. It's interesting, they all seem to be including, well, most of them are including the euro. So right here, we have a baseline cross. So it is not a fresh C1. However, it is a fresh baseline. Okay, we are showing a downtrend and we're showing valid volume. So this would also be a valid entry. Now you may be saying, oh, but look at your QQE isn't below 50. And if you've watched a few of my videos, you know that I've backed off of that as being my C2. I am now using multi-trend index as my C2, and this is mostly used for exits and continuations now. So I'm not so concerned, because a lot of times it would come into conflict with the baseline up here. So I'm going by this baseline. Okay, so the EURJPY looks pretty good. Alrighty, so there is one that is giving us a signal. However, there is a problem with it. So EURJPY, where is that at? Sorry, I'd find it. Okay, so here's a similar setup. We have a fresh baseline cross. We don't have a fresh C1, but it is a fresh baseline. We are showing a downtrend and we do have volume. Can you see the problem though? Okay, the problem is here. We have already traveled more than one ATR past the baseline. And because this is a switch and we are crossing the baseline, we have got to honor that rule. So we won't be taking Kiwi Yen today. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take those trades before my time runs out here. But I also want to show you of one that I took yesterday, and that is this EURJPY. Did you guys happen to see this? Okay, this was a fresh signal yesterday. Okay, we had that was the signal yesterday. You can see that it was an uptrend. We did have volume. We had a nice that QQE was crossing, and we were on the right side of the baseline. So I bought it yesterday, and within, it must have been 3 hours or less, it had already hit my first take profit and moved my stop loss to break even. Boy, those are the kind of trades you just love, right? So anyway, so if you didn't catch it, that's the one I took yesterday, and it is still cooking, and it is still going to town. All right, so let's go over to those other trades. Let's go to the AUDJPY, and let's look at it here. Okay, so this is the one that we were talking about going to sell. All right, everything still looks good. So, all right, so I've popped over here to the Euro Aussie, and oops, look at that. Oh, my spread is jumping up because I missed it. It just went to the new one, but I'm going to go ahead and buy this anyway. Darn it, but the spread just really jumped up on me because it just hit 3 o'clock. So I'm not going to make any more trades today. I did have a couple of others. I had the Euro Yen, and another one I was going to check on, but I'm not going to worry about it today. We will see how we are doing tomorrow. But anyway, I hope you've kind of enjoyed another kind of in real-time trade. Unfortunately, I do have to upload this, but I'm hoping to find some software where I can actually go on live and chat with you guys while I'm doing this. That would be super cool. Anyway, take care for now. Happy trading.